Did my own introduction.
It sounds more like a branding
Forgot all
thing
about
than
the
a game.
Godzilla.
Good racing.
It sounds like we're doing like YouTube advertisements in a game now.
Exactly.
Let's just put their channels in the description. We'll go on with life.
You know what I like better than my two Ferraris? Knowledge. Oh my god, don't start that.
But did someone say
Stop off gaming. Already.
Yeah.
oh, damn. Someone called me Ferrari. I have a Glock in my Ferrari. Wait, what is it? No.
Not from reference to it, seriously. If I want to hear references, I would rather hear some Star Wars.
Oh yeah, I just forgot we can't hear them anymore.
Well, if we are close to them, we can hear them.
It's okay, because you can still hear my lovely voice.
Wait a minute, what game
Oh,
are we playing?
Action sack.
I'm so excited.
Oh, I just
Yeah,
realized
I
which
forgot
one
about
it
this.
is.
I forgot about
Holy!
51st Hunger Games begin!
I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, that was a quick end to my life.
It's good, man.
Holy!
Well, it could be a new Oh my god, so crazy!
I think our banana is about to get peeled.
I mean, I might just...
The lag is real.
Yeah, I know, this is when you can play when you're supposed to
Yeah, a golf ball lag in my face.
Hey, I'm not dead!
Balls are
I
appearing.
think someone who was armor locked killed me. Holy!
I'm almost there.
Too much lag.
Yeah, I was almost there.
Game is this too many balls.
This isn't a game, this is abomination.
What's that? Who got this good?
Oh god.
Dude.
I don't even know what has happened.
I think he got to the wrong way.
I can't see where I'm going, or where's the first...
Slightly.
Oh, we are scoring points apparently.
we were winning.
I didn't.
Losing has 3 points already.
Let's go. We are pros. We are the pros. We are the pros. The pros.
You are the banana on the top of them.
And I am I'm a banana.
He's also
Exactly
a
what
king,
says
but
the
he's
banana.
Share with you guys the power of...
No, wait, you gotta wait for me. You gotta wait for me, buddy. Wait. I need your armor lockability. Wait, I'm right behind you. Hi. Ow, I just died.
Oh.
What did I do with this?
You were very close.
So close, yet so
Away from my armor line. Oh, hey look, Godzilla, come take shelter with my body. Come take shelter with my body.
Oh my god. This was a mistake going to the middle of the arena.
Oh wait.
Oh,
Oh.
perfect time for black screen. Love it.
First black screen of the game, everyone. Great.
First of many. Look at those. Look at that connection bar.
Oh, where did demonic veteran go? I nearly said something else, but I regret that.
I guess the veteran retired.
Let's call that Jason Voorhees back. Why not?
There he is.
He's back. That is why the lag.
Re-enlisted. Oh, please.
Aw, I even right about
Please.
I was right about to score a 50. Oh. I was right about to score it and I lost it.
I did it.
So.
I did it. I got a mongoose. I got a mongoose.
did it.
I was already 4 to 3. I was struggling to get 1.
Go blue team. Go blue team. Yeah.
I'm right behind you. I'm gonna take it from here. Holy moly.
Easier for us to play. That means we
That's an avalanche.
Oh, Fordo, I did it.
I did it!
Watch out for an incoming mongoose that is lagging like hell. They don't even know it. Point scored! Holy moly. It's actually not that hard to do. It's better to go in the middle than on the side. One of us go.
I got him, mongoose.
What I'm gonna use is a human shield. Human shield. Get back here.
Oh god. The lag is definitely real.
Even shield has been said.
You were worthy sacrifice. What? I'm about to get a point. Let's get it. Oh, never mind. I just jinxed myself. Okay.
The golf balls like cause a lot of lag because so many of them
I'm sorry, okay? I'm actually thinking of internet problems. I'm getting later. So,
And point scored.
Look at all the beautiful red bars. Guys, look in the game and look at all the red bars. Oh wait, yellow.
Aren't these arrows actually? Not these ones that are called arrows. Holy
the lag is that my game from like... Wait, where are you?
Our generation is gonna be like the last generation to know that meme.
I'm here. I'm probably gonna die.
I got another mongoose!
I feel like I'm in hell.
And another leg! All the lag is going, I'm gonna watch some SpongeBob for
Pink.
All out for reference.
Pink.
I don't really get... I never really played Fallout, so...
Oh, you gotta get Fallout 4.
Yes, get it.
What it is.
Alright, right now.
But the thing is, I have never really played any of the Fallout games, so...
I haven't either.
Who
Just
ever
mine.
plays Skyrim?
I just played Skyrim on the PC, yeah.
Well, I didn't play any Fallout games, and then I got Fallout 4 after playing a buttload of Skyrim. And it's very similar. There's big differences, like there's radiation and there's, guns. One thing that's
like
kind of...
Yeah, but there's the difference is that in Skyrim that we can have magic in Fallout. We probably don't.
It's pretty much it's like Breaking Bad.
Point score.
You have that mother lady who can somehow tell the future.
I only saw videos of Fallout 4 by H2 in the day.
Michael Myers.
Yeah, why not?
And Michael Myers.
One thing though, that I like Jason Voorhees better than Michael.
5 minutes remaining.
I'm like, do you not know who? Let me ask you. Do you know who Jason is? Not the demonic Jason, the other
guy with the hockey.
Yeah, exactly. I just subscribed to him on YouTube like a week ago. He's a fucking funny person.
Subscribe to who? When did you get that one? Arkin.
Arkin. I was
Arkin, let me just bring
brutally
it.
assaulted.
I whispered to you my sweet
Did you make it?
Nano, wait, I'm right next to you. Let's do this, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Here I go.
Oh, oh, never mind.
Amazing. Watch out. More door. Here I go.
Oh god, I just saw a mink.
I came in like a wrecking ball.
Okay, these balls, I wouldn't mind dodging them if they were continuously rolling, but when balls just kind of appear out of nowhere and are like at full velocity, it's like,
Hey, what does the power up do? Yes!
I think it prevents you from dying with.
Oh, everyone, we must...
It gives you a chance.
I am wondering how I'm on that.
When I go there. Oh, I'm with my best friend.
I think it's not really lagging anymore.
Wait, then I can't.
Wait,
they're not
I
like
take
I don't remember
golf
this.
balls and he What scored one? Get him. I'm going. I'm moving up. I'm moving up in the world. I'm making my way down. Actually, uptown.
No, stop those abomination mobiles. No, that didn't work. I'm actually kind of happy for this lag because it makes it a lot easier for me to maneuver.
Down.
Come on, boys and girls, do it, come on.
Here,
Come on, boys and girls, come on, follow me.
To pound it.
I'm coming down.
Saturday
Oh my god. Oh my
I
god.
just saw that. I'm so sorry.
Dude. Ow, what? Really? Okay, absolutely. I'm at full health and one golf.
I made it a job.
It's not too long of us relieving it.
Go.
That's right.
Look, John. It's John before it's made it. I'm going in there with the monkey.
Ow.
I haven't died in the last 3 turns, so I have a feeling I'm gonna die this time. Oh no!
Really?
Oh no!
Feel like I should just say I have balls of steel, but these are not steel.
We all believe
These are
in you.
plastic.
What's funny is I can hear someone making
I heard one of them talking about you.
Yeah, I heard Godzilla a second ago saying, even a lot behind me.
It's coming echo.
Okay, this is the funny thing.
Let's go, boys. Out of my way, I am one with golf balls. Oh, god.
You guys. Oh, bollocks.
Well, there's a mongoose here, but no driver?
Yeah, sometimes it happens.
Who's catching now?
Yeah.
5 middle.
Made it. Here comes the big.
Oh god, I moved! Oh god!
Is it me? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but there's a thing that I can hardly speak. Because I'm playing this on my computer. Like, I have my Xbox connected to my computer on my TV just one time.
Guys, I'm gonna shoot and block them off. No. I'm gonna stay here and I'm gonna knock them out of the way so that they don't score. No.
They're really catching up to us.
Ooh, opening. Oh yeah, they're catching up pretty quick.
Oh, that's
Let's jump! Let's jump to that. Oh, they got up to us. No! Charge! How much did I score, man? I scored 0 apparently.
Score 1 for the boys back home. It's fun spot.
Oh, I got that reference.
Savage.
And it was this one, and I think
Your
we
biggest
played
fear
like
of the
the
world,
Coliseum
golf ball.
one.
Giant
Rachel.
I'm
Rachel.
sorry, I really
Hey, Rachel.
Oh, didn't see my dead buddy come down.
Our
Found myself.
John, look at the block.
On myself.
Got the block out.
You don't get caught.
He's like the least quiet person.
1 minute remaining.
People team 5 holes.
I'm being teamed up on. They're gonna stop me from scoring a point.
Come on, Forzo, we can do this.
Yes, knock him in.
Diagonal approach. Diagonal approach is the best strategy. Breaking the rules, boys.
Do this.
That's how I second spike going on. I'm setting up spike.
Oh no, they...
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Not really to our fourth base. We're having like a little fight match.
Here comes the banana. Holy. I got splattered and I'm like right in the beginning.
Come back in the next 25 seconds.
Now.
I tricked out the words to going into our score things. We got another point.
30 seconds remaining.
That's the worst. We get hit by one of the monsters. That's the worst.
Yep. I think I nearly splattered you, banana, didn't I?
I got hit by it.
God damn it. No.
10 seconds remaining.
I got it. Go, John.
Your goose is cooked.
I'm proud, I got the last point. I got the
Let's go. Go Blues. Guys? Yeah. Let's go.
I had more
Blue
points than
team
Zero. I had
for
more
life.
points than Zero. Whatever,
Yes. Yes.
Oh, that was
Gamer,
pretty fun, actually.
me and Gamer just kept on just mongoosing each other.
Yeah, we were just fighting the whole time.
Amazing.
I was like, what's